Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix email not received on your Gmail account. So if any of your friend or colleague or your boss sent you mail and you haven't received on your Gmail account, so what you have to do is, so first of all, in your follow these things in your Android or PC. The steps will be same. So what you have to do is, first of all, go into your Gmail app or Gmail app like this. Just go, and here you will see sync turn off. So how to uh, turn it on? So first go here, click on here and go into the settings. So when you go into the settings like this, and here you will see it is off, so you have to turn it on. So like this, I'm going to turn it on. Now you will see that all mails are received. So like this you can receive mails, recover mails or receive mails, or fix mail not received problem in your Gmail account. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.